My buddy's here with me, Darrell, and we're sporting our new jumpers, hoodies. And if I get my assistant to turn round, you can, when we're out in the sticks, you can zap that and it'll go straight to my YouTube channel. So there you go, my lovers. And I was taking these shots at this bar, thinking it was a bit of rubbish. So I bunged it in the edge into some stinging nettles. And as it turns out, one of my people, one of my subscribers, Leaf Stimpson, he pointed out to me that that was a ramrod for a musket barrel. Whoops! So later on today I'm going to go and dive into the hedge in the stinging nettles and get it out. Oh, here we go, my lovers. I've sent him into the brambles. He's looking for this ramrod thing that that I accidentally chucked away. So it's in here somewhere. Oh.
No. I don't know what that is, but
It's large. Oh!
fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. Oh, right. Oh, well, I didn't chuck that in the edge. Oh, I think I got a coin down here, my lovers. It's in a small place. And it looked like silver on the screen. Ooh. Possibly silver. Oh, no, I don't think it's silver. I can see dark soil. Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh yes, first coin, third hole. Right, let's see what it is. Ooh, ooh, it looks, oh, there might be something on there. See the line at the bottom. Right. I'll give it a rub on the trousers. Oh yes, George the Third, methinks. Yeah, just see his nose there. You might get a date off this one. The bottom line looks good. Ooh, I don't know. Well, I can see a 17 right at the bottom. Let's get some better light on it. Yeah, I can see a 17. Woohoo! Can you see the other date, my lovers? Right. Yeah, off and running. Right. I've had another look at it, my lovers. I can just about see the date. It looks like either 1777 or 1757. Right there at the bottom. Lovely jubbly. Oh, look what I got here, my lovers. I think I found another coin. I thought this was going to be a bit of iron. Oh, George II, methinks. It's in relatively good condition for a change. There we go. So it looks more like a woman. Yeah, pretty George II, I think. Or was it Victoria? Right, here it is, my lovers. It's a bit weird. It looks like a woman. But you can clearly see the two eyes there. Got a very thin neck for some reason. It might be a fake. And the reason why I think it might be a fake is because it's still got the patina on it. See that? Now, I don't think it's Roman. Look, the edges are too nice. And there's definitely two eyes there. But yeah, to still have the patina on it, that is weird. Can't see a date. So it might be a fake. Right. Oh, look what I got here, my lovers. I've just found these two grubs. They're like monsters. Look at me. Ugh. Let's get one on a stick. Come on. Grab hold. Ugh. Horrible looking things. I bet people in Australia would eat these. What do they call them? Yam yams? Look, horrible. Ugh. I saw the dark soil and I thought he had some coins. But it was these monstrous, great big, horrible looking bugs. I suppose someone's going to tell me what they are. Right, I'm going to carry on looking for my target now. Oh, Darrell's found something.
Weird little.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That is nice. Georgian buckle, my lovers. Yeah. Nice, I think it's Georgian. They don't usually go hollow on the back, but
yeah, that's what I thought.
It might be old, it might be new. What do you think, my lovers? I haven't seen one looking like that before. Yeah, interesting. Oh, look what Darrell's found here, my lovers. Some sort of tool. It's a bit weird looking. Looks like maybe a hoe, or but not a hoe.
Something snapped off.
It looks like it had a purpose. But what sort of purpose? Because it don't look like no hoe I've ever seen. Yeah, proper weird. Right, so if anyone knows what that is, leave it in the comments below. Oh, I found a coin, my lovers. Is that a farthing? Yep, King George V. So we can get a date on there. (1927), methinks. Lovely jubbly. Looks a bit big for a coin. Perhaps it's a pile of hammies. Oh, there she blows. Ooh, now what's that? Looks weird. What is this? Oh, it's a little tap of some description. Yeah, it's a little tap. Does it still work? Nope, it's seized. Completely seized. Well, it's a strange looking thing, that is. Yeah. Any markings on it? Some sort of little tap, probably off a tractor. Maybe something to do with fertiliser. Nice bit of fertiliser. You want that? Spread that on your fields. Right. On to the next. Oh, I don't believe it, my lovers. I've got another one. Here's the one I got in my pocket. Oh, exactly the same, but bigger. This is a bigger one. Are they the same? Same-ish. This one's got more of a tap. This one's got like a hole. And this one's got a tap curving over. What is it, some sort of modern barrel tap? Bizarre, isn't it? Bizarre. Having got two of them on the same day. Weird. See if the tap moves. Oh, nope. I think it might need some WD-40 on that, my lovers. It's not budging. Nor this one. I tried it. Right. That's a bit weird. So what are they, my lovers? What are they? Some sort of tap, methinks. Right. On to the next. Oh, look at this, my lovers. I think I got another coin here. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's looking a bit smooth. Right, I'll get it cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Well, unfortunately, my lovers, I can't see much on. I can just about see a bust, but I can't tell which way it's facing. You can just see Britannia a bit better, but it's very crustified. Right, on to the next. That's it, me lovers. It's me spade. I readjusted with the angle grinder. Oh, right, me and Darrell are going to head off to the pub for some jars of ale. Ugh. But before we go, I'm going to have a swig of coffee, what's left of it, and a puff on my vaporizer, and then we're going to head off to the pub for some jars of ale. Cheers!
Blows the wind on my true love and gently drops the rain. I have never had but one true love.